Hey there everyone, Darby Simpson with Grassfed Life here to kick off our brand new YouTube channel. A lot of you who know me, you've been asking for this for a long time. Well, we finally got around to it. So it's kicked off now. We're going to have some weekly segments out here, including Ask a Farmer. If you got a question you want answered, shoot it over to me, Darby at grassfedlife.co. We'll have some free webinars and stuff like that up here as well. If you don't know me, I want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name's Darby Simpson. I live in central Indiana, and as you can see, I live on a farm. I now farm full-time, but that wasn't always the case. I actually started out in the mechanical engineering world, and I got interested in farming, started reading some books, got the bug, and a few years ago, I started with $600, one small Salatin style chicken tractor, and 50 broiler chickens, and we took that, we raised those birds, we sold them, we didn't intend to sell them, but they sold anyway. People loved it. We reinvested those funds, we raised 100 more birds, and that really kind of started our farming journey off on the right foot. As it turned out, within a couple of years, we were doing 2,000 birds per season, 20 pigs per year, while I was still working off farm full-time. The year after that, in 2010, we took the farm full-time. And from humble beginnings, we've reached a point where we're now finishing up to 20 head of cattle in a year, about 60 to 70 hogs, 100, 125 Thanksgiving turkeys, and we've done as many as 3,000 broilers in one season, all starting with $600, doing it on the side as a part-time hustle because I wanted to break out of the corporate world, wanted to break out of mechanical engineering. It's been a long, hard road, but I'm here to tell you it is possible. I've done it, and we're here providing some resources for you so that you can do it much easier with less stress, more successfully, hopefully, than what it was for me. That's my goal. I love to teach. I love to share. That's why this resource is out here. So like I said, we're going to have webinars out here that are free. The Ask a Farmer segment will have some other things. Also want to let you know about grassfedlife.co. That website is 100% free. There are over 100 podcasts out there that I've done with my good friend Diego Footer. We've also got lots and lots of blog articles. There's also some resource links for the equipment I use on my farm. So feel free to go over again, grassfedlife.co. Check that out. There are even some free guides that I've written on like how to select a butcher so that you don't waste all your time, effort, and money, when you take something to a butcher and have them do it wrong. Things to look for. Lots of helpful tips out there. But again, if you got a question you want to get answered on this YouTube channel, shoot it over to me, Darby at grassfedlife.co, for our Ask a Farmer segment. I'll be happy to answer it for you. And I'll look for some comments from you down below in the comments section. Again, happy to finally be on YouTube, happy to provide some more free resources. To learn more about me, again, go out to the website, grassfedlife.co. Take care.